Hey, this is Conan with CR Components showing you a Bobcat MCR5 seal kit that we have. This fits your 4-port version and your 5-port version. 5 ports use an O-ring to seal the lid. The other uses a gasket. You got your cam seal, shaft seal, your face seal. It goes in here on all variations. It's the same size. The only difference is we send a couple extra O-rings to switch out because some housings have a little different groove setting than the others. So you'll need to just test fit your face seals here to see which O-rings work better. And then also there's a variation on the brake piston, the brake release seal that seats inside that housing. You're either gonna have the standard press-in seal or you're gonna have an O-ring that fits inside a metal retainer. So either option should take care of you. And then this is brake housing seal and valve seals. So that should take care of you when you're rebuilding your Bobcat track loader final drive. Remember, go to crcomponents.com to see what other kits and parts we have available. We do have the main bearings and other parts. Thank you.